On this episode, we're removing the carburetor so we can clean it, take it apart, clean it up, put it back together, put it back on. But also, because this master cylinder has seepage around it, there's something leaking inside there, probably a bad seal. So I want this off so I can get to that more easily, but we got to do this anyway. So you see where this is going. So this is our hot lead for our electronic choke. The battery's disconnected, so we're just going to move this out of the way. Then this is our fuel inlet line. And it's not leaking, but it's loose. I'm going to pull this up out of the way and see if we can go down, or is it going to drip out? A little bit. Okay, so get a plug. Those always work pretty good. I'm going to move this out of the way like that. Okay. And then to get this rod off, these little black pieces, they slide. They slide. They slide. Like that. And this will pop off. Don't lose this little slidey piece. Okay, so now there's 4 bolts. This one has studs. Those are 13s. Wow. That's looser than I like. Somebody touch this? We have a bent one for this. I can probably get it in there. Sorry. This is my big elbow. Come on. Come on, little stuck washer. Come on, little stuck washer. That's better. Now come all the way off. Got it. Another stuck washer. Come on. Come on. Get this out of the way. Got it. Really? Come on. I can line you up. So the inside of the manifold is nice and clean. So we don't have any carbon buildup or soot or anything like that in there. I could definitely do some more work and port match this. Do yourself a favor, get a rag and put it in here like so. That saves you from dropping a bolt in there and not knowing it and it going that way and causing damage, which ruins your day. I'm going to say that carb was a little bit loose. Slide this clip off. Slide this clip off. We can pull this